Dude, hell yeah, that was sick.
Watch the back real quick. Oh, what the fuck? That's so funny. Wow. He got me all wet. That's so funny. Wait, can you do that again so I don't get wet? But like actually. It's pissing. It's pissing. What's up, guys? Today, just a spontaneous video. My friends and I decided to just go drive around and see where we go. And we're gonna go take some photos, but I'll take you guys along the way. And the cars that are gonna be in this video is obviously my 335i, and there is a GTI as well that has a catback exhaust, which sounds really nice when it upshifts. And then there's a Jeep Grand Cherokee that we nicknamed Pablo, and it's really nice, so it should be great. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let's get straight into this, and I'll see you guys wherever we go. We have arrived to a parking garage, and I think we're just gonna take photos.
Please press the button and please take the parking ticket. Please enter following the guidance.
Oh. Go all the way up. Oh my God, wait. Oh. Should I take out my tire? I think you'll fit. Let me see, keep going. I think you'll fit. Let me see. Dude, it's barely. Can you make it all the way up? Yeah, it's sort of. Okay.
I'm not 6'8".
You're 6'8" right now?
That's what the sign said, 6'8".
Quick overview of Pablo. You got 4-liter inline 6, pushing 200 horsepower. It looks really nice. What should we call your car?
Dude, I don't know. What's your car's name?
Big Bess?
Big Bess?
Uh-huh. And then you got Pablo.
Big Bess Pablo?
The egg?
I got a big one. Something.
We'll call it the egg for now.
The egg. That works for now.
Okay. The egg.
It's pretty loud.
Floor it. That's so funny. God, that GTI sounds so aggressive. What the f? You're f***ing kidding. That's some ourselves. We're trying to see how we can fit through here. Dude, I don't know if I pull this up, it's gonna like make the alarm go off.
Well, let me just take off. It looks pretty old. I'm not too worried.
What does it hold on? Oh, Caden has a toolbox.
Caden, take this off.
Take this off. Mission successful. All thanks to this guy, we were able to take this thing off and slide it. Now you're able to go in. Yes. This guy had the bright idea to go into where the elevator is. But it looks really nice from here. Yeah, go backwards.
Oh. Dude, hell yeah, that was sick. That was crazy. That was a sick 180. That was wild. Oh. You fucked up their brand new parking lot.
Maybe we should leave kind of soon.
Dude, we should probably get going.
We should probably get going.
Hop down, buddy.
Give me a picture first.
Yay!
Get over there.
Oh, my tires are shredded probably.
Get over there.
Oh, yes sir.
Is there any light up here?
Probably not.
Not really. What's this?
Shine in your face.
Well, this was the aftermath of all that. Amazing rubber. Lay on the floor. Ooh, the tires. All right, time to leave. Good. You got it. Yes. He's good. That was fun. Now we are leaving from this place because, yeah. All right, so we're heading to another spot, to another parking lot actually. It's like 6 minutes away. If I go to my GPS, 6 minutes away. And they are paying right now, which for me was free, but I doubt they're gonna have to pay. But let's go get it. Here we have made it to the next spot, and it's a pretty nice garage. Right now we're trying to position ourselves. Oh, that was fair. But as you can see, we're trying to position ourselves for now. And we should be done pretty soon, and we'll get some photos. Watch the back real quick. Oh, what the fuck? That's so funny. Wow. He got me all wet. That's so funny. We are now moving locations and going to another spot that I have no idea where. Really nice town. Next spot, a random parking lot.
Handicap spots.
And yeah, both handicap spots. The lighting is horrendous here. Yeah. Holy shites.
That's really ass.
Little update, security came and we kind of had to hurry up because he was wondering why we were just in that parking lot taking photos. And we realized last minute it was a bank parking lot, so it kind of looks sketchy. But now we're gonna go make our way to another spot that I have no idea where it is, but he's leading, the GTI's leading, Aiden. And yeah, we should see what it is when we get there. Okay, so we had a change of plans. We are not going to the other spot because there's literally no parking anywhere, and we couldn't take pictures with no parking. So we decided to go back and go back to our homes so we could just chill out back on campus. And yeah,